Hello, welcome to the week of September 3rd through September 9th, Shaw University Online, English 111, Fall 2018. What are we doing this week? Well, you're watching the video. Woo! So we are learning about narration. Narration is our first paper. And so there's a couple of videos that you're going to watch, one on narration and one on description. Okay, neither one of these are super long, but they give you the basic understanding about how to write a narrative and why description is a super important part when it comes to writing narration. There's also a video right here which explains the first paper. Yeah, there's the first paper that you get to write. It is a narrative paper, and we'll take a look at that. We'll just go ahead and click on this. So the video explains really more about this. We'll just take a peek at it. So if you click on this link here, it'll show you that you get to write a 2 to 5 page paper using MLA formatting. Remember, we learned about MLA formatting last week. And there are 2 prompts that you get to choose from. Again, I'm not going to spend a lot of time in this video because it is explained very well in this paper 1 narration video. Okay. And then the other 2 things you get to do is there is reading in Odigia, and it's called Invention, the introduction. So again, Odigia. What's Odigia? Again, that's your digital textbook, which is found up here. You just click on to the top, get to the top of the page, click on Odigia. I'm going to show you this for the first few weeks so you can get the hang of it. Open Odigia. And I want you to read, when you go to English 111, you're going to read Invention, Introduction, right here. This one right there. That's one you're going to read. Okay? It's basically learning how the idea of inventing while writing and some sort of invention strategies. So that's what you're reading as far as Odigia goes. And then the assignment for the week. So as you start to learn, as you watch these videos, again, we're September 3rd, you're going to watch this video. You're going to learn about the paper. You're going to start thinking about the paper. And to help you, the assignment for this week is that you get to write just a little assignment here. For this assignment, explain which event you're going to write about for paper 1. Because narrative paper, you're going to tell me a story. And you get to choose a story from your past and that had impact on you, okay? Reflect on why this event is important enough for you to share. And then keep in mind that this particular little assignment right here, this topic for paper 1, is a minimum of 300 words. So that's how you're going to get graded. So I want you to think about something you're going to write about and explain, why you think that is. And so write at least a minimum of 300 words. That's part of this practicing writing. And then this assignment right here, this topic for paper 1, that is due by Sunday, September 9th at 11:55 p.m. So we're introducing our first major paper that we're doing for this class. Again, it's on narration, so once you watch the narration lecture, the description lecture, that gives you an idea of kind of what we're going to be writing, the kind of paper we're going to be writing. This explains the specifics of the paper you'll be writing. Once you kind of get an idea what you want to write about, you kind of send it here just to kind of maybe write down some ideas, and then you can start maybe working on your paper. So that's what we are doing for this week. And some of you are like, oh, well, when is this paper going to be due? So if you peek ahead, that the first full draft will be due on the 16th of September. So we're actually introducing this paper here on September 3rd, this first paper, and the first draft is not due till the 16th of September. So like I said, I give you plenty of time to get your assignments done. But don't wait to the last minute to do them, because then you're going to be in a world of hurt. And remember, so again, for this thing, you're going to type up your paper using the doc or docx file, and there is your rubric. That's how you get graded. So I see how many words you got. And then you would hit Add Submission, and then you can just drag or drop the file here, or you can click here and find the file on your computer. So that's how you are going to submit that assignment for this week. Okay, so 3 videos to watch, some reading to do in Odigia. You're going to start contemplating on what you want to write about, and then you're going to write a minimum of 300 words about what you're going to write about and why that event is important. So that's what we're doing here for the week of September 3rd. All right, now go get it done.